Welcome back to the terminal. Today, we're opening Lesson 4 of Module 11, and it's all about reading JSON. If you've ever wondered how modern APIs actually talk to each other, this is the format doing the heavy lifting. Over the next few slides, we'll break it down piece by piece, starting from that tiny little key value pair you see at the bottom of the screen. So, what exactly is JSON? It stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it's really just a way of writing structured data as plain text. Look at the object on the right. You've got keys like hostname, reachable, and uptime, each paired with a value. It's readable enough for you and me, but strict enough that any programming language can parse it reliably. That's why it became the default for REST APIs, one shared format that both humans and machines can trust. Now that you've seen JSON in action, let's break down the pieces it's built from. There are really just 5 types to know. Strings are text wrapped in double quotes like R1. Numbers stand alone with no quotes at all. Booleans are simply true or false. Lowercase, no quotes. Arrays are ordered lists inside square brackets, perfect for things like a set of interfaces. And objects are those curly brace collections of key value pairs, which can even nest inside each other. Quotes for strings, brackets for lists, braces for objects, and that's the whole vocabulary. In the real world, those pieces almost always show up combined. Look at this response. The top level is an object with one key, devices, and its value is an array. Inside that array sit 2 more objects, each describing a single router with its name and status. So you're reading from the outside in, object, then array, then objects again. That pattern, a list of things, where each thing is itself a structured record, is exactly what the exam expects you to recognize. Now, JSON isn't the only format you'll bump into. It has 2 close cousins worth knowing for the exam. XML uses tags wrapped in angle brackets, like an opening name tag and a closing one, and it's the format NETCONF speaks. YAML skips the brackets entirely and relies on indentation instead, which is why Ansible playbooks look so clean. Same job, 3 flavors, but JSON is the one you'll read most often when working with REST APIs. And that's JSON, the language your network and its APIs use to talk to each other. In the next lesson, we'll move from reading data to actually pushing configuration with 2 of the biggest names in automation, Ansible and Terraform. If this helped things click, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. I'll see you in Lesson 5.